Coming to simplification with K-maps for today's class. What is a K-map? K-map is also known as Karnaugh map. Now K-maps can be 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable, it can go on. Now what we are going to see is a 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map, 4 variable K-map and 5 variable K-map for our syllabus. Now whatever I am showing over here is a 2 variable K-map. Now before going to the 2 variable K-map, let me draw 1 variable K-map. 2 variables means I have X over here, Y over here. So it is a 2 variable K-map. 1 variable means for NOT gate. If you remember the truth table for inverter, I had two inputs 0 and 1 and the output is 1 and 0. So X was the input and Y if I take it as the output. This is known as a 1 variable K-map. Now 1 variable K-map will be like this. Okay, either you can draw it like this or you can draw it like this. Now in the K-map, always these columns in the end, this locations over here, these locations you are going to write the inputs. Inside this K-map, inside this box, you are going to fill the output. Now suppose for the NOT gate, if I take it for the NOT gate, I have, this is 0 over here and this is 1 because X can take two variables 0 and 1. Now when I'll write X over here, when X is 0, what is the value of Y? Value of Y is 1. When X is 1, what is the value of Y? Value of Y is 0. This is the K-map which I have written. Now how will I solve it? Now whenever you write, you can solve the K-map for either the min terms or for the max terms. Now we'll see how to solve the K-map for min terms. Now whenever you solve the K-maps for min term, it is always you're solving or trying to get the output. So what is this? Output Y is equal to. I told we are going to solve for the min terms. Now when you're going to solve for the min term, which is the min term? Anything which is written with respect to 1 is the min term. So I have only 1 over here. I cannot group it. In K-map, you can do grouping. We'll come to that later. So there is only a single 1 over here. So the first rule in K-map is you can group singles, single ones. Now with respect to 1, I have a 0 over here. What does 0 represent in terms of X? 0 represents X bar. So Y is equal to X bar is the expression for min term. So let me go to 2 variable K-map now. Now this is a 2 variable K-map. I have X over here. I also have Y, 2 variables and function 0. Now how do I write a 2 variable K-map? 2 variable K-map is written in the rectangular form like this. See, I have the rectangular form. So I'm using a rectangular form like this for 2 variable K-map. So I can write X on one side. I've written X over here because this 0 represents X is equal to 0 and this 1 over here represents X is equal to 1. Again Y. This 0 over here represents Y is equal to 0. This 1 over here represents Y is equal to 1. Now how do I write? So the first column, if you see, this column, X is 0. Relevant to this column, X will be 0, Y will be 0. So X is 0, Y is 0. And whatever will be the variable over here will come over there. If it is a 0, 0 will be reflected. If it is 1, 1 will be reflected. So the first column represents X bar, Y bar because it is 0 and 0 and we are talking about min terms and it is min term 0. The next column if I take, so the next column is what? X is 0 and Y is 1. So the next column over here represent x is 0, y is 1. So x is 0, y is 1. So if x is 0, y is 1, what happens? It will be x bar into y, or it is nothing but min term 1. Similarly, we are going for the third one. When x is 1 and y is 0. So here x is 1, we can see x is 1 because I told you this row over here represents x and this represents y. So x is 0 over here represents, this is x is 1 and y is 0. So the third box over here represents values related to 1 and 0, or it is nothing but min term 2. The fourth one over here represents, see at this particular column, x is 1 and y is 1. So this will be equal to min term 3 or xy. So now this is an empty K-map which I have drawn. Let us fill this K-map. I have taken one example. I have given an example. So fill the K-map according to the example. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And this is a function. This is how I want the system design to be designed. So for this design, how will I map the inputs to the K-map? So you can see the first is x is 0, y is 0. When x is 0, y is 0, what is your output value? This is 0. When x is 0, y is 1, this value is 1. When x is 1, y is 0. X is 1, y is 0 because this column represents x1, y1. This is 1. When both are 1, 1, this will be 1. So this is how we are going to map the truth table to the K-map. So this is understood. Now how will we simplify a K-map? Now what is the first rule I told to simplify the K-map? You can group single ones. Now if I see here, I've grouped single ones. The first one over here, second one over here, and third one over here. Now what is the variable with respect to the first one? This one, this will be nothing but x into y bar. So this is x into y bar. Now let me take the second one. What is this equal to? This is x bar into y. So x bar into y. This is the second variable. Let us see the third one. What is the third one? This is the third one. What do I have for this? This is 1 and 1. So it is x into y. You can group single ones, but this will not be a simplified version. Here only if you see, I can simplify this further, right? If I see this, so I can take x common or y common I can take. If I take y common, what will happen? If I take y common, x bar plus x will be retained, plus I can write x plus I can write xy bar. First and third one I'm trying to simplify, and we also know x bar plus x is equal to just y. Again y I have, so the simplified will be y plus xy. So if you see the simplified form in the screen, it will be y plus x bar. Again further I can simplify. I can remove y common and I can keep x plus x bar as it is. So the final expression what I will get will be x plus y. Now if you apply rules for this, it is very difficult for us to simplify. So what we will do, we'll simplify using K-map. Now how to simplify using K-map? Now the first thing in K-map is you can group ones which you already know. You can group twos also, or we call it as pairs. So I have grouped one according to the pair. Now this one, you know, this is equal to xy bar. But what about this 1 and 1? Now what is the equivalent literal for that 1 and 1. So what will this be equal to? Now here comes the catchy thing. Y is very easy, so you can write directly Y. Now what happens over here? X and X is there. Now I can see that one value is 0, one value is 1. If I have both 0 and 1, 0 and 1 with respect to variable x, this will get cancelled. So what will be retained is only y plus this 1, we know it is x into y bar. So this is one way of simplifying. Now, your next question may be, why can't we group it on the other way? So I've grouped it in the other way around, and this I've retained as it is. So what will happen to this one if I write this one will be equal to, it is x bar into y. But what about this one, the pair? How will I simplify the pair? Now if I see the pair, this one I will keep it as it is because it represents x. And with respect to the pair, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So both get cancelled, and what is retained? X will be retained. So the final expression will be x bar y plus x. Again, further I can simplify this expression. So since this expression can be simplified further, let us see how we can simplify further the K-map. In K-map, I can pair adjacent ones even if it is repeated. So this is one pair, we know this already. This one can also be paired along with the one. So I can pair adjacent terms. This will be, 1 will be equal to y, and this will give you xy. So simplified expression will be x plus y. Simplified expression is x plus y. Now let us go to 3-variable K-map in the next session. So before going to 3-variable K-map, let us take one more example for a 2-variable K-map. So let us take one example for 2-variable K-map. This is a 2-variable K-map. On this axis, let me take A. On this axis, I am taking B. 0 and 1 over here, 0 and 1 over here. Till here, no doubt. Now, when A is 0, B is 0, it represents this column. So what is the value we have? We have it equal to 1. Sorry, 0 according to the truth table. Next, when A is 0 and B is 1, Y is equal to 1. So when A is 0, B is 1, Y will be equal to 1. Next, A is 1, B is 0. So A is 1, B is 0. So it comes to this column. This is 1. This will be 0. Now we have to simplify the K-map. Now in the K-map, you can see there is a single 1 over here. There is a single 1 over here. I cannot pair it. There is nothing over here to pair, and there is also nothing over here to pair. Again, this one, nothing over here to pair, and I cannot pair this. So what happens? This will be retained as it is. This will also be retained as it is, and I can write the expression because I don't have any pairing. So what will be the expression for this? This will be, this one will be equal to A bar B plus, what is this equal to? This is equal to A B bar. So what is our expression? Y is equal to A bar B plus A B. So this is the one example. Now same K-map, I want to alter the K-map. Let me make this as 1. In the K-map, I'll make this as 1 for the next example. Now if I make this as 1, how will the K-map change? Let us see how the K-map changes, or how our solution varies, or how to solve it. Now I made it as 1. So if I draw the K-map, so I have A over here and I'll have B over here, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now you may have a question, why can't I write A over here and B over here? That way also you can solve it. But this is the simplest way, we'll follow this. Now this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. We have to solve this. So now what happens? This will be paired, this will be paired. So what happens to this? 0 and 1 will get cancelled, only B will be left out. And what happens over here? 0 and 1 will be get cancelled, only A will be left out. So y is equal to A plus B is the solution. So we'll get y is equal to A plus B as the solution. Now, if I do a further modification to this K-map, and instead of here, if I write a 1, I'm further modifying and I'm taking 1 over here. So what happens over here? This will get erased and I'll get a 1 over here. I can write a 1 over here. Now how will you simplify this part? Now I can pair it, but I can also perform a quad.